that a lot of bridge debt is not fixed rate. It is floating, which is very, very dangerous right now in this current market. Hey everybody, Michael here with Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm coming to you from the Canary Islands in Gran Canaria, actually. We're just here in the city center, but with this really cool fountain that we found, you can see behind me. I feel like I'm in a little jungle area. It's really cool. I love the tropical climate here. Anyways, today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about bridge debt or a bridge loan, right? So a lot of people have a lot of questions about bridge financing and things like that. So bridge debt, bridge financing, or bridge loan, whatever you want to call it, is basically a temporary loan that allows you to get a property from an undervalued state to a higher value state. So it bridges that gap between those two, or during that transition period, basically. So when you finish the value add plan or the value add project, something like that, then you can end up getting long-term financing on the more stabilized product. So it provides the financing in between those two. It usually carries a very high interest rate. Right now, currently, since this is October 2022, I think I saw some bridge financing come out. It was like 8 or 9% interest. It's crazy because it is only interest only, right? For the whole period. So it's usually like 2 or 3 year products that allow you to complete that business plan to get it to a valued product. So during those 2 years, all you're doing is paying interest. However, there's also other stipulations that come with it. Like the lender might require you to hold the bridge loan for at least like 18 months before you can actually sell. So if you crush your business plan and finish in a year, you might be stuck in there for 18 months until you can sell. And then top of that, there's no option. There's no other exit plan sometimes if you have a 3-year product. So you get to the end of the 3 years, you have to refinance or sell. There's no way you can extend or anything like that. However, some loans do allow for 1 or 2 year extensions. So you're gonna make sure that you have all those extensions built into your bridge loan if you're going to go that route. Another thing too, is that a lot of bridge debt is not fixed rate. It is floating, which is very, very dangerous right now in this current market in the fall of 2022. Because if it's variable, it's gonna keep going up. As the Fed pushes rates up, it's gonna keep going up. Additionally, you're gonna make sure that you have a cap rate purchase on that. So basically, let's say you get a bridge loan for 8% and you have a 1% cap that you paid for. Now it goes from 8 to 9%, and then that's the highest interest rates you're gonna pay on that property. Suzy and I, in our current investment thesis, do not plan on taking on any bridge debt just because it's very, very high risk, and exiting a bridge loan can be difficult or can be very challenged sometimes, as I talked about previously. Suzy and I focus on long-term fixed rate financing, especially in the current environment. Anyways, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Hope shed some light on some bridge loans or bridge debt. And if you liked the video, go ahead and smash it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we release a video. Till next time, explore more adventure ways.